Hello. Taking pallets apart with these tools can be quite time consuming, and if you have a lot of pallets to take apart, that will take a long time. So I found a better solution. As I've got so many pallets to take apart, I decided to actually buy a Pallet Buster. So there it is. These are the safety things for these sharp edges. They're not that sharp, but... And that's the only documentation that comes with it. It's the Roughneck Gorilla Pallet Buster. Got the two prongs there, and that is a nail puller. It's all welded together, so there's welds there, so it's all lots of pieces welded together. So we'll see how strong that is, because when there's lots of pieces welded together, that's where the weaknesses tend to appear, so I'd be worried about it there. But we'll see. I can see a bit of brown in this corner, so I hope that's not rust. Because having paid all this money for it, I'd hate for it to start rusting away. But we'll see how it goes. It's got a nice soft grip handle, so hopefully that'll make it easier and more comfortable to use. It's fair weight, but comes up to halfway up my stomach, so not too bad. Well, let's see how well it actually works. Okay, I'm going to test it with an old pallet. So, put it in. This is an old pallet, so I don't expect it to be that strong, so I'll see how this goes. It's actually broken there and there, but the end pieces are always in stronger anyway, so let's try the middle pieces. Oh, these are coming out a lot easier. So it's the end pieces that really, because they're really nailed in tight, but because these are old pallets, those nails are still strong, but the wood is weak. But yeah, it's doing a good job of that. Yep. These are coming out. Yeah, so just pull these two out easily. Considering this was an old pallet, no cracks, no broken bits. This one, because it's old, it actually cracked there when I put the pressure on it, rather than try and pull that, it actually cracked here. When I put the pressure on, this is where the Buster was, because it had all these nails. Rather than pull those out, it actually put the pressure on the bit of wood that was weak, and the same at this end. But these other pieces have come out. Obviously I've got to take the nails out, but that's to be expected. But yeah, I should be able to go through these quite quickly. Well, it's done a good job. I mean, I've broken down a lot of pallets here. This Pallet Buster is definitely an its keep. I would definitely give it a double thumbs up. What I've done in a couple of hours this morning would have taken me a couple of days if I tried to do it with hammers and things like this. So definitely worth the money.